No, tú no vas a hacer, hija. Good morning, you guys. Today is Wednesday, February 21. And as you guys can see, so they stuck cheese in this little bunny ear thing. So as I was saying, today is Wednesday, and as you guys could see, we went to join the gym because since my husband is going to start working and it's so cold outside, we have nowhere to go. And since we just got here from Mexico, I'm not really used to being in the house so much and not seeing people around, so it gets kind of depressing. But we joined the gym because we don't want to gain a lot of weight while we are here, and we want to do something to be active, and take my kids out too. And right now my husband just left to work. Today was his first day, and I'm just going to start cleaning the house because it's a mess as always. So I'm gonna start by cleaning this up right here. That is all of these jackets and clothes that I need to fold and hang up in the closet, so I'm gonna do that. Good morning, you guys. Today is our first day doing exercise, and I just finished doing 20 minutes of walking. So now we are going to go probably to the machines to see what we can do. Right now I'm going to make tamales, and I'm going to make chicken and make sweet ones, some cheese with chili. So the first thing that I have here is a casserole and with some oil, and I'm going to fry some chili and then add some chicken to it. So I've added the chili, the chicken, and the carrot and the potato. So now I'm just waiting for it to boil a little bit, and then I'm going to start making the masa for the tamales. So I got this maseca maize flour, and it is, how much does it have? 4.4 pounds, dos kilos, and I used about, is it half of it or more than half of it? Up to here. It's up to here. I used up to here, so it's about this much right here. So I used about half of it, and I put some in here for the tamales that are going to be with salt, and some a little bit on here for the ones that are going to be with sugar. So now with clean hands, you have to wash them really well, and you're just going to stir that up to mix it well. And put a wet towel underneath so the little casserole doesn't move around too much. Add a little bit more flour and a little bit more salt. Add in another water bottle because it was really dry, as you guys could see, and I think I'm going to add another one. So I have now mixed the flour for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to tell you guys what to do for the sweet ones. So for the sweet ones, you're just going to add pineapple and the water of the pineapple to the blender, and you're going to use whatever sugar you have, brown sugar or white sugar. And for this one, I'm going to add a little bit of white sugar that I already put in there, and then brown sugar that I also have because I don't have any more white sugar. So then you're going to blend that, and you're just going to add it to the flour. So I have now mixed the flour for 30 minutes, and now, oh, and I almost forgot to tell you guys to leave this to just sit out there for 30 minutes and just put a damp towel over it. And then the same goes for the sweet ones. Now they are done, and I'm just waiting for them to rise a little bit. And here are my kids. We went to the gym, and my husband took them to Ross and Amija to buy Play-Doh and this little working thing. Play-Doh. Thank you, Mama. So I have everything ready. I have the leaves and the salt one and the sugar one. So now I'm just going to lather it on with a spoon and then just put the filling. So just like that, and then I'm going to put some cheese over that in the middle. And then a piece of chili, or maybe 2 pieces. And then you just fold it over. Here, as you can see, I have them ready to go. These are the cheese and chili. These are the chicken ones for tomorrow, and these are the sweet ones. And I already put the cheese ones in there, some of them. And then I'm going to put the sweet ones